The 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, security system, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, heated steering wheel, tachometer, overhead console, power moonroof. Come take a test drive today.